Question number 67. Find the area of the sector defined by arc BC. Area of a sector. So now, instead of looking at the question like number 66, which is what is the length of this portion of the circumference, they're asking us the question, how much of the circle is represented by this area right here? I can go ahead and just highlight that so you guys can see. They're asking us how much is this area. Basically, if that was a big pizza slice, how many square centimeters are inside of this pizza slice? Well, you can see, class, that's just a part of, or a percent of, the total circle. So we're going to go ahead and use our formula to find the area of a sector. And it looks a lot like 66. Look very much like this. In fact, we're going to use this same fraction to represent that pizza slice. So we know that arc BC, the measure of arc BC is 155 degrees. We're going to divide that by 360. That tells us how much of our circle is represented by this piece of pizza that we're going to cut out. And now we just take that piece and we multiply it times the total area of the circle, which is pi r squared. Let's go ahead and plug in our values here. I'm going to write 155 divided by 360 again. I'm going to put that in parentheses, times, and you can see in question number, question number 62, we found the area of the circle. The total area of the circle is 144 pi. So it's going to be 155 divided by 360 times 144 pi. Let's go ahead and plug that into our calculator. Again, we've got the percent of the circle, 155 divided by 360. We're going to multiply that times 144, multiply that times pi, and we end up with 194.7787. We're going to round that to 2 decimal places. That would be 194.78. So now we're finding that the area of sector BC is going to be approximately, I'll go ahead and write this down, the area of sector, and really we should be calling this, we should be using the center point, it should be sector CDB, but the question doesn't say that, so we'll just say sector BC is approximately 194.78, and this is area. Area is two-dimensional, so we're going to use a unit of measure of centimeters squared. 194.78 centimeters squared.